Merry Christmas from Room by the Hour.
Hey, you heard it.
Ooh, that bell ain't clean. You can actually get on the rooftop here. Okay, this is kind of cool. I think I'm gonna sleep here. I'm on the south side of Bristol, Bristol, Tennessee. I'm not in Virginia yet. So, but this thing was $80 a night. I just got some fuel at this gas station and I'm gonna take me a nap for like 5 hours. I think I can get a balcony room. Well, they got a gym and apparently the treadmill works. Pool's closed because it's outside. The guy working the desk, kind of a douche. Yeah, like douche canoe with one oar. Hey, I bet we're at the end. Just a super deluxe suite. Vanity, good soap. Bathroom. No, whoa, those towels are like bricks. Oh, another squishy tub. King bed. Decent looking chair. Not bad. Ooh, I like the comforter. This will do for 5 hours. Microwave. Fridge works. TV kind of works. Yeah, it works. Balcony's nice. I'm parked over there. Pool's over there. We got coffee. It looks like it worked. Alicia, I may go ahead and do this. It depends on the black light. All right, Alicia, your tips based on black light. So far, so good. Okay, maybe you need to clean the walls a little bit. And behind the toilet's pretty gross. Yeah. So, let's see. A little more fun dribbles back there. Big fun dribbles. Lots of fun dribbles. Oh yeah. Definitely needs mopped. Ooh, fun dribbles. Lots of fun dribbles. Yeah. The bed does look clean. By the way, I'm watching my channel on my channel. Ooh, that bell ain't clean. All right, Alicia, I'm leaving you $5. Y'all can tell me if it's too much or not enough. The reason I'm leaving $5 is because that is a great presentation of the coffee pot. You really took some care. The bed, even though you kind of may have missed the pillow on that side. The bed was put together really nice. The towels were perfectly folded. And the rest of the stuff's not your fault. So, I mean, but mop next time. You really need to mop more. Yeah. I slept good for 4 hours. Take coffee now. I hate rain. I know, it's pretty. Figure I'd give you some shot. It's okay, it's raining, it's nasty, it's horrible. But anyway, the shower was hotter than hell and the towel sucked. They didn't actually say that this morning, but yeah. So it is 3 o'clock, and no, it's not 3 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock, and I am strolling along. I'm gonna make it today, and then I've got to go get a hotel next to the airport with shuttle, and then I got to fly first thing in the morning, go back to San Antonio, and then up and away. Hey, we go back to North Dakota. Well, we're gonna stay at this Comfort Inn that's next to the Newark Airport. That you can actually pay to park here. They've got an airport shuttle, all that good stuff. There's a diner. It's only $156 a night. I am super tired, but let's go check this thing out. No coffee. Cool fireplace. There's only 4 floors. That's quite interesting. Also, food. I need to eat. That's a gym. Okay. Hello? Oh, nobody's actually in here. Usually the TV isn't on when you get in here. Okay, so clearly the TV works. And man, look at all the scrapes and stuff on the wall. It is super cold in here. So I'm gonna turn this thing on. Maybe. I was trying to figure out why it didn't work. It's actually over here. Yeah. You'd think me staying in enough hotels, I'd figure that out by now. Okay, so we got a couch. Couch is hard as a rock. We got a bed. Ooh, that's kind of big. Oh, nice and soft. You know, we got the bathroom. Shower head. Way up here. I'm a fan. Oh, towels are good. It's got a blow dryer, lotion, Kleenex, shampoo and conditioner, and a mirror. To mention coffee, you know, room with a brew, on room by the hour. I need new jokes. It kind of works. Microwave looks like it works. Okay, so if I get up at 2 a.m., it's currently 5 o'clock. So if I get up at 2 a.m., leave here, airport shuttle over 4 o'clock, get there at 4:30, check my bags, then it gives me 2 hours to get through security, and then once I get through security, go to my gate, Bob's your uncle, good to go, happy-go-lucky. Yeah, and I got like 2 hours to wait around for my actual flight, but there's no earlier flights, so I'll be fine, right? I might be a little lost. Well, they do have a business center, but I still don't think I'm going the right way. I think I went the wrong way. Maybe. Found the gym. So, yeah, I went the wrong way. I probably should have looked at that. I'm gonna pop out and see what's on 8. Nothing on 8. Let's go to 9th. Yeah, Earthquake Road. I'm in Jersey, not in San Francisco. You can actually get on the rooftop here. Okay, this is kind of cool. So I'm actually editing this at like 4 o'clock in the morning and stuff. And did you see the drone in the background? Like, I didn't even know that was a thing until like recently. But like, you can see, you go and do it back, and you can zoom in. And I should see if I can like do that. But anyhow, yeah. So there's a drone in the background of that. That's cool. I didn't know I caught that. Good burger. Beer's flat though. I cannot find the light switch to shut this off. It's not that. But yeah. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm ready to go to sleep. It's just call. I can't find the light switch. Yeah, that was embarrassing. I actually got them to come up, and the guy tried to tell me it was on the black plate on the window side of the bed. There's no switch. It's on the other side of the bed. So, but yeah. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to bed. See you in the morning. Why didn't this coffee pop? Or it's like the second time I pushed the button. The shower was great. The towels are amazing. Well, really ain't got nothing to report. I done kind of walked through it. So, it's half clean. A little bit. I mean, they could have mopped the bathroom, but I can't walk in here and the sensor turns it on. So, yeah. Nothing too wild and crazy. United got this whole new like check-in process for premium access, and I was like, how? From 1K's Polaris customers only. And I was like, wow, that's cool. And then you got this one. That's the old line. I was actually at the new line. So yeah, I can see it gets busy. So cool. So nothing's more annoying than the discrepancies between TSA. So like, you guys know that I've been in probably 150 airports across the country this year. Well, not quite, but so when you get to somewhere like Newark, you would assume that they would be the standard. They're not. They actually change it up, and like different lines are different. Like you can actually, I get yelled at because I wasn't going all the way up to the scanner instead of standing behind the line like you're supposed to wait at in every airport. It's jacked up. Okay, so the club has 3 different types of sausage, potatoes, and eggs. That was actually really good. Like really, really good. I hear music. It's over there. You know, it's funny because randomly you hear just this most beautiful music and it's a passenger. And I've always wondered, is this some concert pianist who just sees the piano and wants to play? Or is it just a normal person who's like, hey, I'm bored, I'm gonna play. Fun fact, that Starbucks right there actually burned down like a couple of months ago. Weird. I love it when people do cool stuff for kids. It just makes me happy. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here because it's getting kind of long and I gotta go to North Dakota. So, laters. You know, be good. Santa's watching.